Hi, I am Anand Prakash Gupta. I have come from Delhi to attend this conference. I was always interested in Equity Master because Equity Master's approach and my ideas regarding the investments are quite similar. I believe in fundamentals. I have found that the research of Equity Master is also based on fundamentals. I am a long-term investor and have been holding some of the stocks for last 40 years, and I find the information and the education that Equity Master has given us in this conference is very useful for taking the investment decisions, especially the long-term investment decisions and fundamentally strong companies. I came to know about the Equity Master through the website and got in personally in touch with Prajot also, who gave me very useful information. And I find that Equity Master is helping me in taking some of the very vital decisions, feeding me with a lot of information. We as an individual cannot devote so much of time. We don't have so much of information available to us. So we bank upon Equity Master for all this research works, this information, and of course the final call is investors. So this is very helpful in taking the decisions. I wish Equity Master all the success in future. Our success depends on Equity Master success.